They are the young blood, the youth, the future of our country, future of our Goa state. So young boys taking over as Sarpanch, as a Panchayat member, as a Deputy Sarpanch is also a step towards progress. New ideas, new vision to be implemented. Nowadays the youngsters want something good to be done, faster to be done, good work to be done. So it's a step towards development, towards progress. And I wish the entire team, Chandanan has done a good job for the last 2 years, and Daniel has taken over. It's a team which works. So Panchayat team of the elected representatives, the people who help them, there are so many people, well-wishers who are behind at the side who help them. So a team work which will do good work for the people of Bangladesh.
सर 2027चो डॅनियल खैतर उमेदवार म्हणून तुम्ही दवरतलेत तेका?
हांव कोणाकूच दवरूंक शकना. ते डिलायरा लोक बसून जे बसले ते सरपंच आसले आनी तेणे खूद वचून थिंगा काम केलें शिवोले. हांवें ताका वच म्हणूंक ना. तेणें गेलें, काम केलें, ताका लोकांनी एक्सेप्ट केलें, ताका तें मत पडलें. सो कोणाक दिसता की आपूण फुडें निवडणुकीक वचपाक जाय, ते तेंची इच्छा. दे हॅव टू वर्क. वी कॅनॉट टेल पीपल टू वोट फॉर सो एंड सो कॅन्डिडेट, सो एंड सो. इफ द वर्क इज सीन ऑफ द पर्सन, पीपल वील वोट. डेफिनेटली देर इज नो डाउट अबाउट इट.
तुमची अपेक्षा कितें आसा?
आमची अपेक्षा सगळ्यांनी काम करचें. दे आर यंग, दे हॅव टू वर्क, अँड वेन दे वील शो देअर progress of the work, when they will show results, it will be in front of the people. People will decide. आता सरपंचूय केला मेंबरांनीच, लोकांनी मेंबर केला, मेंबरांनी सरपंच केला. सो वी विश द होल टीम ऑल द बेस्ट.
लोकूय तसे आमदार करतले अशें दिसता तुमकां?
थँक्यू.